And special thanks to my friends at this company who were nice enough to send me the 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charger. This is a wireless charger for iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch. The G910 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charger. Nothing on the top or the bottom. And the same over here. The back just tells you a little bit about the box. It has an output of 18 watts max. The phone output is 5 watts to 15 watts max. Depends on your phone. It'll also work at 7.5 and 10 watts. The headphone output, or the AirPods, is 5 watts max, and the Apple Watch output is 2.5 watts max. It uses a Type-C connector, and it's got a magnet, overheat protection, short circuit protection. It's foldable, intelligent temperature control, overcurrent protection, over voltage protection, and foreign body detection. So let's open this on up and take a look at it here. Nothing else in the box, and look at that, nicely included little power adapter here. Love that. I like the orange color too. And then we have our foldable 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charger. A little instruction set here, and then an included, good for that, USB-A to USB-C cable to power this device. So let's take a look at it. This is what it looks like. Nice and compact. I do really like the size here. USB-C ports here on the bottom. Here's your Apple Watch and your AirPods chargers, and then your magnetic charger for the iPhone. So to use this, you would just open this all up, see, like so. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Then run your little included cable from the USB port on the bottom to your power adapter, and then plug this into power. So there we go. It's plugged in, it's ready to go. Now we could take a set of AirPods and place them on here, and I get the little green light, so those are wirelessly charging. We can also take an Apple Watch, place our Apple Watch right on there, and that is now wirelessly charging. It's completely dead, but hopefully you can see it's lit up now. And lastly, you can take an iPhone 12 series or later and plop it on the magnet, and now it is charging. So now you have all 3 devices charging at the same time on one device from one USB-C cable using one power brick, and it's nice, easy, fast, and foldable and portable. Great for somebody who's traveling a lot, who uses these 3 devices on a daily basis and would need to charge all 3 of these devices. That will essentially do it. Thanks again to this company for sending me their G910 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charger. Thank you all for watching this demonstration, and we'll see you in the next video. Deuces.